Imagine sitting in a bright Google meeting room, surrounded by engineers who built the world's most famous search engine. Chade-Meng Tan, an early Google engineer, asks everyone to close their eyes and focus, not on code, but on their breath. What if this simple act, this tiny pause, could unlock creativity, calm anxiety, and even solve conflicts at work? This moment sparks a method that's quietly reshaping lives inside Google, and now maybe yours too. Before we dive deep, let's see how Meng introduced mindfulness in a tech giant where thoughts race faster than the wires connecting servers. Back in 2007, Meng started teaching mindfulness classes at Google's Mountain View campus. His challenge? Tech geeks wired for speed and problem-solving suddenly asked to pause, breathe, and observe their minds. Initially met with raised eyebrows, his sessions rapidly boomed in popularity, revealing the hunger even high-tech wizards had for emotional clarity. Think of mindfulness like a gym for your brain. Just as lifting weights strengthens muscles, practicing mindful breathing and awareness tones your emotional intelligence. Meng uses the metaphor of mental push-ups that build focus, kindness, and resilience, qualities our brains often neglect in the race of daily tasks. The payoff amazed skeptics. Google teams reported sharper creativity and reduced stress. Sharper decision-making didn't just boost productivity, it made work feel less like a grind and more like a flow state. This unexpected combo of peace and power is the search inside yourself starting to pay off. Now that your mind is warmed up, let's decode how emotional intelligence transforms tricky workplace moments into breakthroughs. Meng tells a story about a heated team meeting where tempers flared and a project stalled. By pausing to recognize rising frustration signs, fast heartbeat, tight shoulders, the group used a quick breathing exercise to diffuse tension, steering the meeting back on track. This simple emotional checkpoint stopped conflict from snowballing. Picture your emotional awareness as a traffic light. Green means go calmly, yellow means slow down and breathe, red means stop and reset. This system rewires impulsive reactions into mindful responses. Meng shows how labeling emotions is not just naming feelings, but controlling the steering wheel of your reaction machine. That traffic light moment turned a blow-up into a breakthrough. Where anger once blocked progress, newfound calm helped team members listen and innovate. The big insight? Emotional intelligence isn't soft fluff. It's the engine of smarter teamwork, turning personal feelings into collective creativity. Finally, let's uncover how Meng's approach amps up kindness and joy, not just for you, but for everyone around you. Meng shares a breakthrough moment from his own life. Struggling with self-doubt, he realized beating himself up worsened stress. Instead, he practiced self-compassion, a gentle kindness inward that shifted his mindset completely. This wasn't just fluff. It rebooted his brain's stress circuits, making space for growth and creativity. Loving-kindness meditation, a practice Meng teaches, spreads goodwill first inward, then outward like ripples in a pond. Everyone in the class reported better relationships at work and home. Think of it as emotional Wi-Fi. Your kindness signal boosts connection and cooperation without wires or passwords. Here's the kicker. Joy isn't just a feel-good add-on. Meng argues joy acts like high-octane fuel for your brain, boosting focus and resilience like a sports car on premium gas. Companies that nurture joy and kindness see a real rise in innovation and retention, proving happiness isn't soft, it's smart business. Remember that Google meeting room? You started there eyes closed, focusing simply on your breath. Now you know why that pause matters. It's not about stopping, but about powering up your mind and heart. Try this. Next time stress hits, stop and label one feeling you notice. Just that tiny act can stop a reactive chain. Search inside yourself, and you'll find a smarter, calmer, kinder version waiting. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.